In my previous video, I made pick and place machine without picking mechanism. So now I am going to add the picking mechanism. For that, I will use the electromagnet to pick the iron materials and place it aside. So at first, I will make a mount for the limit switch. This switch will turn off the magnet. This way our object will be placed to the particular place. The electromagnet and switch will be in series. I got the electromagnet from this relay. It needs at least 5 volt, but with 12 volt the magnet is stronger. I will stick the switch at first. It should be placed precisely or else it will not get pressed or it will block the moment. The electromagnet will be placed on arm. Now it needs to connect the wires. It will be parallel to the motor. Here the polarity doesn't matters. Let's see if it works. Now it's working as expected. Okay, hope you like this video and should subscribe. See you in the next video.